Okay, so I'm just kind of hanging out here on my bike. It's rainy outside, but I was trying to figure out how to get some better audio going on this. So I don't know if you can see it. This is my full face. So I'll wear this when I'm trying to, I guess, do some talking. And it's here, so it's running through the equipment and down. Now it is running down into this. So this is see if you can see it, Zoom audio recorder. So I actually have this. I usually set it up on my SLR when I'm shooting stuff out and about, but today I'm using this. So I'm going to kind of switch between what the audio from my camcorder sounds like to what the audio like this sounds like. I'm going to turn the bike on now, so hopefully the camera doesn't go flying. I'll do this. Oops. Yeah, like that. I'll turn that over so we get some power. Alright. So, we'll see how this goes. So, everything's in neutral. Of course, it'll be a little louder when I'm actually riding, even though I do have a windscreen, so that should help. But here we go. So, bike is gonna be going on. And again. Alright. So, this is the audio with the camcorder. So, I doubt you can probably hear it all. And this is the audio here. So, audio through the mic in my helmet. I'm going to try closing this and see if that helps at all as well. So again, this is just the mic actually physically inside my helmet here. So I may be fogging up a little bit. I'm not getting a lot of wind or cool air or anything coming into my helmet right now to help keep the air a little cool, and it's cold outside. So but yeah, so this is camera mic, and this would be this mic, and this would be camera. So, pretty sure there's probably a big difference between the two. So, there you go. So, we're going to see if that actually works. Actually, one more check. I'm going to just kind of rev the engine, see how it sounds. So we'll see if that actually comes through, if the audio from my voice comes through well enough. Hopefully, we shall see. Cool, guys. We'll talk to you again later.